Maitreya. Yeah. Very good. And Apurva. You were loudest.
And those.
Oh yes.
And the
Next senior one.
Yes.
And what's your name?
Karthik.
Karthik. You are the loudest one. Yeah?
Aryan.
Aryan. My son name is Aryan. Okay.
There's another one.
Where? No, he's Aryan. Oh, you also. Okay. Let's see. What's your name? Name? Your name? Okay. No. Mommy will tell. Oh, mommy will tell name. What's her name?
Sanjana. Sanjana.
Sanjana. Oh, it's a favorite name from Bollywood. And what is this boy? This big boy? He must be brave. Okay, mommy will tell loudly. No worries. No worries.
Pranav.
Pranav. That's what we started with. Yes.
Charan.
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 Loudly.
Charan.
Charan. Charan.
Charan.
Charan. Yes, you're right. So we are here for the class. And you know what we are going to learn? Language. What we did in the beginning? Oh. So what we did for home? Did you open your mouth? Did you close your mouth? No? You don't close it? You close it? Let's do it again. Say Om. And what happens at the end? You close your mouth. Finish language. You open your mouth and close your mouth. That's what we have to do. That's not difficult, isn't it? Yes? Isn't it? This is our mouth. You know that? What we used to speak? What we used to speak? If I yes? Latin. Okay, let's start with Latin. In my classroom, basically they are teacher and I am the student. Let's start with Latin. Where the Latin came from? Oh, all brilliant. Okay, keeps your hand down. Keeps your hand down. Where the Sanskrit came from? Yes, you kids know the answer. Very good. Let's start with Latin. Where the Latin came from? I don't know the answer. So I'm going to ask somebody. Okay, tell me.
Your mom.
That's a perfect answer. Or maybe somebody can tell Asda. My son will say no. The language came from Asda. Christian. First. Egypt. Okay. Let's see. Roman. Okay. You all know more geography than me. Okay. I think it's Roman, isn't it? Latin came from Roman?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
It was an old English language.
Oh.
Yeah, it was used by scientists.
Okay. So you are scientist.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know Latin how they speak ABCD? Do they speak like ABCD? How they speak it?
I have no idea.
No idea? Okay, let's do it. Somebody knows. See, somebody knows it in our class. Okay, tell me. How they pronounce?
It's another language like from Egyptian language.
Okay. Anybody knows how the Latin alphabet are spoken?
Alpha,
ABCD?
beta, gamma.
No? Okay. Who knows the meaning of alphabet? Yes? There are two brothers, okay? The alphabets are two brothers. One is alpha, one is beta. No?
The first two letters of the Latin alphabet.
Oh, yes. Okay. Let's go a little bit. How many language you know? Raise your hand if you know language more than one. Everyone. See? That's the beauty. That's the beauty, isn't it? You know more than one language. Very good. Okay. How many language you know? English? Who knows English? Very good. All boys know English. Which is the second language? Spanish? Hebrew? German? Bengali? Tamil? Telugu? So many. Okay. Can you tell me? I'm going to speak the letters. Okay, you have to tell me which country it's from. Okay, A, B, C, D, L, F, A, M, A, N, A, O, P, Q, R. Where they are from? Anybody?
Egypt, from this country.
Okay. Everything was born here, isn't it? Okay, let's do it. Tell me this one. A, B, C, D. Where did it come from?
England.
Oh.
UK. Scotland. UK.
in English?
Yeah, because I got 26.
You know all the answer. Why you call me here? I traveled so much to come here. I thought I will teach you something. You got all the answer. How many letters we got in English?
26.
Okay, now raise the hand who knows Telugu.
Me.
How many letters you got in your Telugu?
More than 26.
Clever answer. Either it will be less than 26 or more than 26.
Less than
So you got 26. How many?
less.
Okay, so we got 53. Isn't it a double of 26?
That's more.
Is it? Oh my God.
More
200?
than a double. Yes.
Oh, it's close to that one, isn't it? It's somewhere 56, 50, 60. Yes?
52.
Oh, you should give a clever answer. It is double. Isn't it? How we can create a double?
Oh yeah, it is double. The answer is 52.
Can anybody say A, B, C, D?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S,
and T. Let's do it musical. Very good. How many they got?
26.
26 letters. Anybody knows our letters?
Yes.
Tomorrow I will see. Already you know one language, one song. I'm going to teach you another song. Okay. Do you know these letters? Where are the letters gone? Where are the letters gone? Oh, there. Oh, it's here. You know the letters then. You recognize it. Oh, these are the letters, is it? Which language they are from? No Sanskrit? Which language is this? Okay. What is Latin language means? Anybody knows what is meant by script? What is meant by script? Huh?
Which you write something on.
Oh yes, the pattern you write, isn't it? A design. You can have your own design, isn't it? Only your friend will know in the classroom. I got my design. You should understand. Teacher is here. Mommy is there. Yeah. Mommy will not know if she sees your design, right? You know, my friend, I used to be in the classroom like that. Shh. Means what? Don't come. Dad is there. On the window. What is that? Yes. So these are the signals. And if you want to draw the picture, what you do? You will draw some design. Only your friend will know. Yes? You do that? Okay. Huh? So this is also design, isn't it? How many are there? Maybe 53, 54. I didn't count it. I can't count properly. They are written somewhere, you know, like this. Let me see who is good. Yes? Oh, see, she can speak Hindi without opening mouth. What she said? Huh? Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Huh? 58, 48, 51. Okay. Okay, somewhere. I'm not going to count. We are not here to do mathematics, okay? Right? Okay. Let me ask you something. Oh, you said Hindi. She is going to tell something in Hindi. Come on, tell me. Pack up. We have to go. She's not- Letters as well. How you learn? You must be getting in a fizzy drink, isn't it? I got a fizzy drink. You know the new bottle fizzy drink in the Asda? If you drink it, your taste comes all the alphabets. No? Okay. Let's hear the alphabet. Come on. Very good. Oh my God, where is your teacher? Come here, I will sit there. Okay, very good. Who can do it? Okay, do it.
I can do kakas.
No, I want now I.
I know.
Okay, do it. Ah, your teacher taught you something more, isn't it? Which is not there. Huh?
I did without looking.
See, See, she can sleep and talk English. But in our life, we try to speak Telugu. Telugu. My God, don't speak. I don't understand. Okay. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Oh, you know there are two families there. You know, I'm going to tell you. This is our classroom. You know, all the kids are sitting on the top, and all the adults, parents, mommy, daddy, they're sitting downstairs. And these first two lines are kids. You laugh, isn't it? How you laugh? And laugh. Okay. Tell me what word you use for laughing. No, I say what letter you use? Which phonics you use? So we use isn't it? Let me ask you some question now, okay? You have to tell a letter, you speak a letter without touching your tongue, lips, throat, okay? Can you say something? If you touch, you got a point, you're out, okay? You have to raise your hand and you have to tell me, pronounce something. Don't touch your tongue, teeth, lips, not allowed. Otherwise you are out of the game. Huh? Okay, that's fine, done. You keep your mouth open and do whatever you want, but don't touch. Anyway, if you touch the wall, ceiling, gone. This is our hall, okay? Very good. I'm like, This looks like a musical class. Okay, so that's what. So what is vowels means? Anybody know what is vowels? All knows. What is mean by vowel? Come on. It's like asking what is your mommy name? He says mommy's name. Okay. Tell me what is mommy mean? Who give you birth? Isn't it? So then tell me what is vowels means?
Egyptian mommy.
Egyptian mommy. Okay. Tell me definition of vowel. Simple. I said definition. If somebody asks you what is mean by a laptop, then how you define? Yes, dictionary. No, listen now. Only, okay. Listen. If you don't touch anything when you are speaking, those are vowels. Say E, Did you touch anything? No. Let's do it again. Together. What prarthana we did in the beginning? Sahana Bhavatu, isn't it? Sahana Bhavatu means all together. You know the story of birds, you know the story of the ant. What do you do? Always together. Let's do it again. If you touch tongue, then you raise your hand. Okay. If you do anything, okay. If I touch anything, you raise your hand. Okay. Isn't it? There are, how many are there? Let's count it. How many are there? 12. You got 16, yeah. Good. Taking an excuse, yeah? Okay. Now we are going to sing this. We have, okay? Who is good in singing? Okay. This song I will ask Apurva to sing, okay, first. And then you have to follow. Her name is Apurva. Okay. She comes in the Bharupuram every Friday to learn Sanskrit, Hindi, any language. Doesn't matter what it is. It's Bhasha. What we say? If you open the mouth, even the bird open the mouth, a cow open the mouth, a man open the mouth, anybody opens the mouth and do some sound, it's called Bhasha. Okay? Right? Okay, that's it. Okay, you are laughing. If you go to the forest, okay, and there will be so many deer sitting under the tree, and if you go in front of them and say they will also laugh like you. Because but that's strange. They don't speak like Okay, so we are going to do a song. Okay, let's do a song. Shall we start? Okay, do it. Oh, she started the next one. You're not going to stop now. Where is your button? You want to stop at vowels, okay? So this one song we are going to sing together, okay? So once the train starts from here, it will only stop at London. There is no stop for it. Okay? And let me see who can forget the middle words, okay? Let's do it. Together. Loudly. Come on, boys. Okay, it goes like that. Okay, it goes like this. A, E, E, U, U, A. We have to repeat again. A, E, E, U, U, A. Again, this time complete. A, E, E, U, U, A, O, A. Can you do it? No? Okay. See, if you repeat it again and again, it will come. Yes? Or you can do it different way. Any song, and you can sing on it. Okay, let's do it. A, E, E, U, A, A, E, E, U, A, A, E, U, A, O, Okay, if I do it for 5 minutes, you will not forget for 50 years. 5 minutes. How many times we can do in the 5 minutes? How many times we can do in 5 minutes? These all adults will go out of the room now if you start dancing. It goes very fast. See, let's do this thing, okay? I'm going to start like a slow train. And then it goes very fast. Let me see how many people can catch with me. I think nobody will. Okay, keep your stamina, take a long break. Okay, and let me see who comes at the end of today, okay? So I'm going to speed like anything, like a rocket. Like like this, okay? Let's do it. Adults can join if they want, but this I sing in my bathroom. That is my prarthana. When I take first water of bath, I will say like that, okay? Then after all it will come, isn't it? Okay, let's do it. Everybody. He's very good, Charan. Charan, come here. See, you want to stand here. You don't like to sit in front, okay? Come on. Play. Play. Okay, he's going to play. And all. Doesn't matter you are ahead, forward. That is called the teamwork, okay? This teamwork is what? Sa-navavati. Sa-navuna. Sa-vidyam karvati. Sa means what?
Together.
Together we can do. Together we can crack anything, isn't it? Yes? So doesn't matter who is behind, who is repeating. You always have to. Why the God gave us ear on the side? Yes? Why He not given ears here? Huh? He was clever. He is very clever. God is very clever. Come on, tell me.
Because if the rabbits hear that with the ears from hands, people hear it from head.
You know why? Yes. You know why rabbit got ears? Oh. Because he always fall forward. If you see rabbit, he will not run on the slope quickly. He will fall down. Listen properly from the stones how he cow. You are not going to fall down. What you have to do? We are human beings. We have to listen to each other. Listen to our neighbors. That's why our ears are up. Side. And the eyes are
In front.
why? Not here. Left, right. Maybe should you have ears in here? Because we should think out of the box, isn't it? Let's sing. Okay, you are going to play. Charan is going to play for us. Play this drum, okay? No off beat. Come on. Very good. You're not singing. You're not allowed. You should sing as well. Now Charan is going to only sing, and I'm going to play. Okay, let's do it. Charan. Okay, you and me together. Don't worry. I know you're a grown boy. Feel shy. No? What is this alphabet? This is not the way. See. No. You pass. Come on, sing with me. Lovely. Hey. The kids will not stop at the home as well. If they go to the bathroom, they will stop. And if I give you any word, I will give you any word. What's your name? Cree. Who got Cree? Crow. Okay, let's take a difficult word. Nobody will do it. I challenge. You are not that brilliant. Okay, let's see. If I give you crow word, can you sing this song on crow word?
Yes.
Crow.
Yes.
Can you? These kids are, generation 5. You know mobile? Generation 4. What is it? G for enable?
4G.
Oh yes. These are 6G enabled. You are nowhere close to them. Even me. You are 6, What is going to happen?
Samsung Galaxy 6.
Yes. Galaxy 6. No, you are 7, 8, 9. Not S. You are T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I can't teach. Okay, let's do it. What we were doing? Isn't it? These are called? You did 50% of the study of your language. Can Telugu tell me, is there no I in your language? Is there I? Who is Marathi? Marathi. What's your name? Go. Sit there. Okay, sit. I know he was there, no? I placed him in the right place. Okay. What's your name? Shreyas or Shreya? Shreya. What have I asked you? What did I ask you? Ask you something. Oh yes, language. Is there a I in your language? How is it? Oh, let me see. Who is another Telugu, Tamil? Anybody? Kannada? Who is Kannada? Raise your hand. Is there I in your language?
I don't know.
Okay. Do you know I in your language? Is there I? Oh, you have to check at home. You check the dictionary, okay? So, when I speak, you can't recognize whether I am Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, isn't it? Can you?
No.
So then how you will know if I'm which language do I speak?
I know.
Yes.
You have to hurt them.
Huh? Speak loudly.
You have to hurt them and then they'll cry out in their own language.
If I cry, that's a good. Tell me my language. What's your mother tongue? Okay, what's my mother tongue? On my face, you checked, you looked at my face and told, Telugu.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Nobody
Nobody from here, nobody who have not met me before can tell my language. Anybody who has not seen me or met me before, not in email, not my surname. Okay, guess, what is my mother tongue? See, they are so clever. We got it. Smile in my mouth, face the way I'm talking. Oh yes. But they know I am from somewhere from eastern side, isn't it? Their guess is perfect, isn't it? You better cleverly give the answer. You are not from western side, you are from eastern side. 50%. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay. Now where is the vowels in the English alphabet? How many vowels we got?
Only 5.
Okay, that's fine. How many? And how many we got here?
12.
So for time being, I am going to tell you there are 12. Okay. Actually there are 16. Right? But I am not going to tell you those now. They are very secret. Only when you go to GCSE level, I am going to tell you. Yes. Right? Now let's go to the next level. Let's go to this one. Okay. The vowels, are they sitting in one side? In our classroom, all children are sitting here and all others are sitting separately. Why? Why we are not sitting mixed?
Because of the
Huh? Because?
you can ask the parents.
Separately, isn't it? Yeah, that's a good answer. Then, why the vowels are sitting in between the consonants in the alphabet? Why they are not sitting separately, so that I can just see, okay, these are vowels. First, let's do it. The alphabet should go like that: A I O U, A I O U G H, and then will be B C D F and all the things. Isn't it? Yes. Isn't it a good answer? To keep them separately. If you go to Asda, do they mix the cat food and our bread food together? No. Why? Otherwise you will eat cat food by mistake. Ah, yes. So we have to keep them separate to understand, isn't it? What they did in this language? They kept the vowel separately. Don't worry about which language is it. Okay, the vowels are separate. Let's go to the consonant. Anybody can tell me what is the consonant? Okay, I am going to tell my definition. You know all the others, not going to. So ask me. Okay, very good answer. They can't be given 0 mark in the classroom because their answer is not wrong. And that's what when I teach in the classroom, I learn from the kids. Yes, it is a letter which is not vowel, right? Okay, let me ask you a question. Which is the letter which is not vowel? A single letter, you tell me. Per. Okay. D. P. A. Okay. That's good. Okay. So what you said, it should not be vowel, isn't it? Now I am going to ask you one question. Okay. Which letter you said is not vowel? Per. Right? Now she is going to pronounce per. And like we did om, you have to pronounce per. For long time. Let me see how much breath you got. Okay, hold. Do it per for long time. Little loudly. No, little loudly. I should know the girl should come from outside from the reception to ask what happened. No, not all. Just let her do it. Let you all do it. Okay, do it. Okay. Now you all do it. Per. How many years we got in this classroom? Double of the people here, isn't it? Now let me ask you, what was the last letter they will say at the after 5 seconds? Okay, this is not for adults. This is for the kids. Okay, so I am going to say per. Okay, you have to tell me after 5 seconds what I am pronouncing. Okay, per. What was that letter at the after 5 seconds? What was our rule? There should not be vowel. Then it is, that is consonant, isn't it? Look, let's take the other word. I will do P. P. What is the letter after 5 seconds? Bravo. Sit down. Okay, again. I'm going to ask the letter. Let's see the letters. Small children on the top. I'm saying P. Okay, you have to tell me what is it. Oh, namaste. We say. I'm going to pronounce his name. His name is Sunila. Yes? I'm going to take his first letter and tell me what is the letter after 5 seconds I'm pronouncing. Okay? Listen properly. After 5 seconds. Just cut down the first bit. Okay? Su. What is the letter I'm saying after 5 seconds? Yeah, that was letter was U. His second letter is Ni. I'm going to sing it. It's very simple for adults. You got 100 marks in the language. But the problem is my son who is 5 years old, this is a very hard work for him. Okay, let's read. Ni. What is that? So if you miss in the Asda, okay? If you go to the big Asda, which is not in this town, okay, and you lost somewhere, what will happen? You know that.
Someone will get and you have to just tell the driver where you your address and then.
Okay, fine. Yes. He's grown boy, okay? He doesn't go with the mommy daddy, okay? He's grown boy. He got his own car, Mommy, I'm so grown. This is the problem with 7th generation. You know, after they come out of the mommy's tummy, they are independent. Yes. So we never reject the answer. It should be included. It should be included in our answer, okay? So never reject anybody's possibility. If I say tomorrow I'm going to Mars, that's the possibility which is you think it cannot be happening. But I can say it can happen. Yes? There is a possibility, yes? So we have to, okay. So if you lost in Alta, what will you do? Okay, if I lost, okay, my generation, okay. What will you do? They will, if you cry, then what they will do? All the green batches, green dress colors, girls and boys, what they will do? Where they will take you? To your, what they will search?
Mommy, daddy.
Mommy, daddy. And they will hand you back to mommy, daddy. So you know these are like the swords. All the letters, they can't stand alone. They are always holding a hand of mommy, daddy. And who are the mommy, daddy? The vowels. No letters in the world can stand without the vowels. Isn't it? Then we say, what happens, you know? A boy is walking in the room and somebody naughty boy in the classroom put a leg like this and it fall down. You know that? Okay, I am going to tell you something. A boy, hey, listen, laughing too much. See, we are not here to only learn her. How will we learn? But we have to learn a little more. Okay, I'm going to tell you. A boy comes to my classroom. Okay, a boy comes to my classroom and I put like this. What will happen? Okay, a slim girl. Okay, very slim girl. Who will, okay, if she comes in the classroom and her friend, what will happen? And a bad boy. A bad boy. Come in the classroom. And you should not do it, okay? Don't do it in the classroom, otherwise you will be banned from this country. These are just imagination. Like Tom and Jerry. You know Tom and Jerry? Oh, they know everything. You know that, what did? Tom is who? Cat or This Jerry? One day the Tom was walking in the room and the Jerry was not happy because the Tom beat him last night. So what did he do? In the morning the cat got up from the bed. Okay, and he was very tired. But you know, Mouse, what is Jerry? He thought, today I am going to teach him a lesson. Let him come. And you know, when you get up from the bed, the Tom was walking like this. And Jerry, when he come to that hole, what did Jerry do? Ding! What happened to Tom? No, okay, I am going to tell you something. Okay? Listen, from my mouth, I am blowing the air. Okay, right? And can you do that? Close your lips when you are saying whoo. What happens? It stops, isn't it? Because listen, okay, you're doing with the mouth. Let's do it again. Okay, I'm going to do it. You don't do it. Okay? Who? What was the letter at the end? Okay, so I'm going to tell you something. Okay, if somebody is coming from straight forward, you're not putting any leg in between. He will just walk straight in the class and sit in the bench. No fun, isn't it? If all vowels are there, no fun in the classroom. So what happens in naughty? Now you know who's the naughty in the mouth? This is our classroom. This mouth is our classroom. Yeah? Okay, let me. That's what I use. I don't know any other word. Okay, so there is a tongue which is naughty. Teeth are naughty. Lips are naughty. When the vowels come from the mouth, these naughty people, kids, they do something funny. Okay. So if I say ta, what happens? The was coming from the tummy, and somebody stopped it. Who stopped it? Lips, tongue, or teeth? Okay, do it again. Ta. Okay, pa. Okay, let's do something here. Ta. Who stopped it? Ta. Close your eyes now. Close your eyes. I am going to do something. Close your eyes. Okay. I am going to pronounce a word and you have to tell me what you did in the mouth. Now you look inside your mouth and say ch. Okay. Say it again and this time you see what tongue is doing and where it is touching. Ch. Again. Ch. Ch. Okay, can anybody tell me where we are touching with the tongue? Okay, where? Okay. Am I right here? Okay, this is me. I look like this inside. Okay, this is my, listen. Huh? Okay, this is not now, after 50 years. Okay? I might have got. This is maybe danger here. Okay. So listen, this is throat. Okay, this is where the air comes from the tummy all the way and trying to go out. This is my tongue. This is teeth. This is lips. And okay. Say ch. Am I touching in the throat? Am I touching in the throat? Ch. Where the tongue? Here. The ch. Yes. Okay. Let's say ta. Where are we touching? Ta. Behind the teeth? Here? Here? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right, Charan? Am I right? Okay, you tell me. I say pa. 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 What are you using? Oh, then you can go. Okay, lips. See, lips. Okay. Now, how many rows we got here? How many rows we got here? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let's go. How many are there in this family? There are 5 families. Okay. I said to the families, can you sit? This is my, what is it? They came for a show. And they have to sit in a chair. I said each family in one row. This is one family. Okay. 5 you have to sit. Okay. Next family here. Third family here. Who is counting 5? So you are ahead of the time. You are ahead of the count. Okay. 4 and 5. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a story. Okay. You know story. Do you know this? Do you know this person? Have you seen anywhere? Who is he? Very good. You all know the answer. You know what he got in his one hand? Damru. What he does with the damru? And how does it play? Anybody listen to damru? Yes? Okay, I'm going to tell you a story, you know. Shankar plays damru. Okay. And when he plays, he makes a sound on the damru. You're laughing. Can you pronounce it again? Come on. Wait. Very good. So, listen properly. Listen properly. Listen properly. How many fingers we got in our hand? 5. How many letters I said now? 5. Okay. What was there? Right? What was that? Okay. See, this is a game. Okay. Raise your hand if you can do it. I will pronounce 5 times. You have to remember this 5. Okay. Ka cha ta ta pa. Ka cha ta ta pa. Ka cha ta ta pa. No. In your mind. I'm going to ask others as well. Okay. So you repeat. Ka cha ta ta pa. Ka cha ta ta pa. Ka cha ta ta pa. Okay. Who can do it? You raise your hand. These are the head. This is the head of the family. Okay. How many family got here? Like this is ta pa. Okay. First family. Listen to me now. Okay. First family at throat. Put your hand on the throat. And the 5 letters will come from here. Say ka, ka, ga, ma. Okay. Next family. The tongue is getting, now. Okay, like a clock. We'll go anti-clockwise. Okay. We started with throat. Let's go on the ceiling of the mouth. Where is your ceiling of mouth? Can you touch here with your finger? Okay. Let's do the next family. Cha, cha, ja, nya. Okay? Right? small family. I am coming a little bit ahead. Now you have to touch above the teeth. Where? Can you touch where the teeth come from? Okay, that door, where the teeth come from. Okay, where the teeth are from inside. From inside, not outside. You can't touch the tongue from outside. I can, but no, there is no letters now. Okay, there. She may create some new letters. Okay, so you have to think. We got 53 letters. There is a possibility that we can go beyond that. Okay. Okay. So say after me. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay. Then just a little bit behind the teeth now. Okay. We are going to do behind the teeth. In English, you may find very little letters behind the teeth. So when somebody pronounces my name is Dilip. And if I say to my another friend who knows 26 letters, he says deep. Then I say, what happened to your tongue? He says, what? Because this is not deep. This is Dilip. Then is why they can't pronounce Dilip? Because in 26 letters, there are very few letters. No, any letter behind the teeth in English alphabet, Latin alphabet. Say A, B, B, C, K. Stop me when I will touch my tongue behind, behind the teeth. Okay? D, da. Then E, I. F, F. G, J. H, H. Okay, see there. J. Where is J? Okay, let's go back. G. She's on J. Where are we touching? No, that's not behind the teeth. Above the teeth. Yes? Not here, not here. Here, here. T. Okay, let's go to the proper alphabet. T, T. Where are you touching for T? Are you touching here? Behind the teeth or above the teeth? So there is no letter. Is there any letter? But when you say the, T-H-E, the, say the. That is behind the teeth. So my name is Dilip. If somebody is going to say Dilip, I say, can you take your tongue little down and say again, then you will touch the teeth. Dilip. Yeah. Okay. So this family is behind teeth. And easy one is with lips. Pa, ha, ba, ba, ma. Yes, you did it. Isn't it? So this is on our finger. You got 5 hands. This thing. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. Saraswati said, I can elaborate it to more. She listened to it, okay? Damru played the 5 letters. And then she said, I am going to elaborate it to the 53. And she made 53. But how you will remember this then? Again, we need a song. Isn't it? We need a song, yeah? Okay, so we are going to sing a song. Okay, start quickly. If you want to learn, listen. This is another song. Once you did it, you did all the alphabets. Okay? And it goes like that. Ka, ka. Okay, say after me. Ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. Ka, cha, ja, ja, na. Ka, tha, da, da, na. Ka, tha, da, da, na. Pa, 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 ma. Yara, lava, shasha, sa. Arakshadnya. Akka, galana. Cha, ja, ja, na. Atha, dharana. Atha, dharana. Papha, balama. Yara, lava, shasha, sa. Arakshadnya. Yara, lava, shasha, sa. Looks boring, isn't it? Let's take another song. Let's take another song. I'm not good in English song, okay? I know only one song. We will rock you. You know that? You like this? You like this kid? Come on, sing this song with me. You sing this song with me. We will rock you. Now this is not enough. You should rock everybody. Everybody should get up and dance. Okay, let's do it. Rock them. Again, okay? We will rock you. Yeah. We will rock you. We will rock you. Very good on the beats. They know where the hooks, okay? Let's sing this song on this one. Can you sing it? Can you sing? sing the kakadang on it. Who is good in the music? Okay, let's do it. You take any song and you have to sing on it. Okay, that's the challenge. Come on. Okay, sing. He's going to get up. Okay. Who can sing? Okay, I will sing because I know that. Okay? Okay, let's do it. Ka 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 ga ga ma. Come on. Do it. Ka 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 ga ga ma. Next. Cha 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 cha. Next. Da 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 da. Next. Da 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 da. Very good. Stop here now. Okay. So take any song and sing it, whichever you like. Okay. Your daddy will put the song on the, and then you ask him, can you give me this, in this song? Then you change the kakadanga, or you ask me. Yeah. So once you nail the letter, okay. So you done of all the alphabet. But if it comes to Telugu, Tamil, okay, so it goes like that. If you say no, I don't know the Tamil, then you have to stop a few letters. I will say ka, then I will say in my mind I will not say ka, say ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. Then you say, how do you know Tamil? I said because middle letters are not there. Yes. Cha, nia. Anybody Tamil? Is that right? Ka. You got ka? Yeah, you got kaka kiki, but in the basic letter when I say ka, then ka, ga, ga, nia. Yeah? You don't have ka, ga, ga, and then nia. Yeah? Then it's cha, nia. Yeah? Ta, na. Yeah. So what happens here? It's just you drop or add few letters. That's all. That is our national integration. Yeah? I'm going to show you. It's basically, I don't know what time. What time is it? What time for kids?
3:20.
You want to continue with kids or you want to go for adults? Got a heavy one for you. Okay. See, this is. Anybody know the letter? Now I am telling you, this all kids will know any language of India. Okay? Okay, listen. Okay? You know, doesn't matter, you know where the place are. You know when you go to the classroom, if the desk is empty, teacher know who is not there because every time you sit there, yes? The teacher know, where is Arya, not in the classroom, Arya. Yes, she always sit first row from there. Yes? So our letters is like that, discipline. Okay? You know that letter? What is the first row? Okay, wait, this letter is Ka. Okay? Let's go to this one. Which language is it? Telugu. What letter is this? You know? Say, after it. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Let's do the another language. What language is this? Gujarati. Kemcho. Chalo. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. You know Gujarati? No. Okay, let's say. Okay. Tell me which is this letter? Oh, which letter? You know? This is Bengali. Let's do this one. Oriya. Which letter is this? It comes at the right, that is okay. Let's do the next one. Assamese. Okay. This is Gurumukhi. Okay. This is Kannada. Anybody Kannada? Is this right? Don't say that we are different, okay? We are all same. वो गुजराती साड़ी इधर से उधर हो गई तो क्या पता नहीं हमें हाँ इधर डाली तो मैं समझ लेता हूँ गुजराती में नहीं तो जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो इधर बोला तो राम राम बोलो okay this letter what is this Tibetan we are going out of the country now okay I don't want to go ahead I can go up to Spanish then you have to drop because then it comes okay we got oh you want to go up to the Spanish let's go to the Spanish who knows Spanish You got audio system? Okay, I'm going to start.
French.
Okay, let's do the Spanish.
Did you get Spanish?
How many letters are there in front of you? Oh, I get asked. Okay, let's do it one. Okay, ma, me, me, mo, mo. Okay, if I go to Pizza Hut and say, you are going to buy one pizza, I will get one free. Happy? So I am going to 7 more now. Okay, let's do this one. I am going to this now. We are going to extend this one. What is the basic letter of this? Mo. And what he is doing with mo? What happening with mo? Every day the mo coming in the classroom, is different dress. When he goes to the party, you, Arya, you go to party, birthday party. Do you go in school uniform?
No.
Why?
It's not a school party.
Ready. And then when you go in winter, will you go with just umbrella?
No.
Coat in the summer?
No.
Okay, come on, let me show you something.
And read it Spanish.
I'm going to tell you a story. I'm going to tell you a story. Okay. Okay. Charan was born. Very Charan. Very Charan. You know where is this? Very good. You are sitting like 2 rows of the vowels. Like this. So they get all the consonants. Okay. So the Charan is born. When he's born, does he have all clothes? He just comes like God gives him from the mommy's tummy, comes out like that. Okay? Yes. And what happens next day? He's growing now. Okay? Mommy is very happy and he plays with the stick. Next day. Yes? He plays with the stick. Mommy is very happy. Then suddenly he says, okay, I can keep a cap on my head and a stick. So he said, I'm very confident. See, I can handle cap and head. Then he said, he can move his cap on this side and the cap on this side. He's making style like that. Can you see it properly? Yes, very good. No, I'm asking him, not you. He's not sitting properly, okay? So, he put a cap and he just play with the cap. Sometimes cap to the left, cap to the right, and stick to the head, stick to the right, yes? And then suddenly he goes, mommy, he's not like, I'm growing. Can you give me 2 more sticks? I'll show you something. And he says, okay, that's fine. Then he says, before that, Papa is going to show in the morning. What he does, all kids are used to say, when they grow up, they try to put their daddy's shoes. And the shoes is so big. And their leg is so small. What they do? Like this, try to walk with one leg. You see that all the kids, yes? Walking. And he was putting on one leg. He doesn't know that we need 2 shoes, okay? To wear and go out. So he was playing with one shoe. Daddy said, no, you should wear another shoe. Then what he was clever, he took off the first one and he put the other one. Hey, that's what you asked? No. Mommy said, you are not, not grown so much. Then he started, playing with the stick. Oh, I can hold the stick on the head like this. Then 2 sticks on the head. Can you see that boy? He's holding 2 sticks, yeah? Then he says, I can hold a stick like this. This is doing all the gymnastics with the sticks, yeah? So 1 stick, 1 hand hold. Again he takes 1, 2 sticks. And then sticks is enough, you can take balance. Why you are using stick? Mommy said, I know, because you will fall down. No, mommy, give me a ball, I will play with it. So mommy gives us a ball, just play for a month. Mommy is very happy, he's growing. And then suddenly he said, no, I can play with the jiggling with the 2 balls. See this? How many are there? How many positions we see? How many developments? Can you count?
12.
Okay. Can anybody explain me in the line what I said just now? Can anybody explain me in one line? Yes. Can you explain what happened here? Yes. Then?
He's holding a stick.
Okay. Then?
He's wearing a hat and holding a stick.
Yes. And stick moved to the left, isn't it? Earlier it was to the left. Which hand? Left hand. From here, his left hand, it goes to right. Okay. For us, okay, that's fine. We'll follow his stick. Okay. The stick is to the right. The stick goes to left, and the cap. And what is happening to the cap? Cap is moving to this side, and the stick is on which hand? Again right. What is the next one?
He's grown.
And what is doing?
I'm wearing a shoe on
Which leg? Left leg. Okay. From here. Okay. That's which we will see from here. Okay. So we are watching from here. Just tell me the direction from here.
left.
Which side left? Here?
Right.
What's happening here?
He's holding a stick.
How many?
One.
Then?
Two.
Then?
Gymnastics.
1 stick and 1 stick on the hand. Here?
3.
And 2 stick on the head. What is the next one? Ball on the?
Head.
And what is this?
Okay.
Okay. So you all remember this 12 step? If you go home, can you tell all this how the Charan was born and how he grown?
Not. Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Now? Okay. Charan will not do it.
Oh, I know.
These are the curve. Okay, this is not Charan. This is Master K. It's a Master K character from our alphabets. Okay, and how the Master K character grows? He take birth. After that, he hold a stick to his right. Then he grown. He hold his stick to the right or left, and a cap on the head. The stick goes to the left, cap on the head. Then a shoe or hook to the left, a shoe to the right, a stick on the head. Then two stick on the head. Then one got one stick and one stick on the head. Again the one stick and two stick on the head. One ball on the head and two ball on the head. How many are there? One. And how we pronounce? Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Okay? So how much was in Spanish? What did you do in Spanish? Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Where are the ka? Ka, ki, ku, ke, and ko. And how many we got? 12 here. So what we are doing? If you go to Spanish, you say, can you do 12 now? I got 12. Not fun. Yes? And how we should sing? Let's do the other song. Okay? This is the last one. Okay, last one for the day. Kakakiki, kuku keke, kakakiki, kuku keke, kakakiki, kuku keke, koko kam kaha. If I give you any letter, you have to sing same way. Cha cha chi chi.
Choo choo chee chee. Cha cha chee chee. Choo choo chee chee. Cha cha chee chee. Choo choo chee chee. Cha 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 cha.
Da da di di.
Do do de de. Da da di di. Do do de de. Da da di di. Do do de de. Da da da.
You know all the variation now, isn't it? Okay? We did vowels, we did. Okay, let's do Papa P. My son likes it. Papa P P.
Cuckoo pepe.
Papa P P.
Cuckoo pepe.
Papa P P. Cuckoo pepe. Because in this way, no, just I remember my son, he's there in India. So I thought I would do that for him. Okay, if I do any word, okay, let's repeat the same letter what we did with kra. How the kra goes? Kra kra kri kri. Kru kru kre kre. Kra kra kri kri. Kru kru kre kre. Kra kra kri kri. Kru kru kre kre. Kro kro kram kaha. Very good. You need all this variation, isn't it? You need almost 70% of your language. Okay.
I know how to say tea in Spanish.
What?
I know how to say tea.
Okay, say it loudly.
Sustantivo.
What?
Sustantivo.
Okay. That is T, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So to write T, how you will write T? Say tata T.
Oh, yeah.
Tu tu te te. Tata T T. Tu tu te te. Ta 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 ta. So where T comes? Ta ta T. How you will write T? A ta. Where is the T? Here, here, here. Like key. Are they together? But how you will write T in English? Spelling? How many lines? How many spelling? How many letters we write in to say T? T E A. Yes, T E A. It will be too much for kids now. Okay, so we are not going into detail. Otherwise, you know, for one class. But okay, you learn all the things. Now I'm going to show you something. We just say T, isn't it? How many letters we use? T E A. Yes. Yes. How many letters? And how many times you open your mouth? Then why you are using 3 letters? We open your mouth once, isn't it? T. If I'm like this, isn't it? Tomorrow you are going to go to school, okay? And what we need to go to school? Uniform, right? And if I put my t-shirt in a shirt on the hanger here, and a trouser in another hanger, can I go like that in the school? And you can tell your teacher, I came with the uniform. No? No? What? Or take your hands out. Oh, for him I said. This time. Okay. So, if you open once, you have to write only one design. What we do in all our Indian language, if you open mouth once, one pattern. If I say T, then you open mouth only once. Then I will write only one design, not more. And his shirt and trousers are wearing. You go to school wearing the dress, isn't it?
Yeah.
All the Indian languages, Indian scripts, they go school like that. They wear the uniform and then go to school. Then they look, otherwise no, from the past. If you see from the distance, you will see 3 persons are coming. One doesn't have a leg, one doesn't have a shirt. You take the photograph from distance and show you how many car I'm driving like that. And somebody, you go to the school, you got, one trouser in a hanger and a shirt on the one other this thing, and walk like on the road. And so, oh my God, 3 persons came, put the brake. And they say suddenly, oh no, it's not 3 persons. Just like when you say in English, you write T-E-A, 3 letters, and they are not separate, they are separate. Okay, and if you want to learn our language, what is the beauty? I'm going to tell you something. It's so easy, you don't need to buy hard anything. No spelling. We know what hard work we did to come here to learn English. Every Friday spelling. If the silent word we got. You don't need to buy any word. I know if I'm saying key, even if you go to France, Spanish, wherever, German, Switzerland, America, the key remains same. But the key here, if you just cross the Thames Valley, it will become C. Because you have to learn and by heart. Can you tell me what you use for K? Where you use C for K? You will not ask this for any of other language. They are like this. When you say key, they will pronounce like key. Yes? That's first thing. What? You don't need to memorize. What is the other thing? There is no capital and small letters.
That's good.
That's good. Isn't it? No cap. Don't worry when you to write capital, when you to write small. Everything is same. Okay? We are equal. Equal opportunity, equal thinking for all letters. I don't know why capital is small. You know why the capital becomes small letters and cursive? Some kids are very fast. So they will not go up to the top to write A. They will go shortcut. That is called small caps. Okay. Another thing, I'm going to tell you something. Okay, I'm going to tell you this thing. वो खेलता है. Who understand this line? वो खेलता है. Sorry for other language, I'll just take another example. Okay, वो खेलता है. Okay, I'm going to take the वो out. खेलता है. How many kids are playing? Okay, very good. Is that a girl or a boy? How do you know? I didn't say कौन है वो उसका. Okay, very good. Take your hand down. Let's translate this in English or any language. I just know English. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. He is playing. I am going to take that. Okay, it is playing or whatever that. I will take the first letter out. Is playing. खेलता है. Okay. Now forget about it. Is playing. How many are playing? One. Is it a boy or girl? Can be anything, right? Confusion. Come on, let's go on another one. They are playing. Okay? Listen properly. I'm going to drop one letter. I'm going to drop they. And I'm saying are playing. From adults, can you tell how many are playing? One or more? You are playing. One or more? One. We are playing. Let's do it. Are playing. Do you know how many are playing? Very good. Is that a girl or boy? In this, your Indian languages. She is very clever. Okay. In Indian languages, listen. Indian languages, Bharatiya languages. Okay. We call Bharatiya languages. We want from the word. You know how many are playing and whether it is a boy or girl. We know the gender and we know number. It's a beauty, isn't it? Yes? What other thing we got? Oh, this girl, she is my neighbor. She came to the classroom for 2 weeks. And next day, her mommy gave me a clip. She is Telugu. In 2 weeks, she started, this is our prayer. This will become a prayer. She just started at it, so she can't stop up till near. Single word she can't drop because it is on the music. So all your kids, you're very brilliant in my classroom. It's my mistake I came here. You should come to my basic stuff to teach me next time. However letters are. And there's so many beauty, but I can't, sit here and give you. Oh yes, that time you all will be standing here like a vowels and I will be sitting like that. Yes. So now you all can go for your play. Okay. And thank you very much for listening. And there's so much stuff. So you're going to, teacher is going to teach you. And why we should learn our mother tongue? Okay, sit down. The last one. Why we should teach our mother tongue? Apurva?
So that it doesn't die out.
And everybody is going to die out. So why more? And what is the more?
More effective.
If you go on the road and there you find a gold and a stone, what you will pick? Why? Huh? Yes. Okay. You go in the Asda, your mommy doing shopping, yes, and she want to buy something. And you know what? Suppose she want to buy what is simple washing powder. That's the famous. My wife's okay. So what she will do? There are so many brands in the washing powder. Yes. Which will she will choose? Most price. Sorry, I should not ask the question to the kids. Let's see what parents give me the answer. We want to buy a washing powder, not the James or David are not doing. They know that it's our partnership. So what you will see? Are you going to see if it is cheap? But not at the same time. Husband will not like it's too cheap. He should have compact and quality. If you bring this much box of the this is not no, it should be compact. It should be cheap. It should be economical. What other thing? Quality.
It should work well.
It should work well. Right answer. It should work well. Okay. Some letters got some meanings. You have to find it out and then use the proper word. So go in the shopping of the world for the languages and compare all the languages. Okay. And then you see which is the quality got for the washing powder. And after 10 years, okay, you have to tell me what is gold and what is metal. Okay? I leave it to you boys. Yes. No questions. God? Oh yeah, see. She gave me the last answer. Why I am teaching this language? That this language is like gold. That are going to make our generation rich. We got 10 million books till now. After so many books burned, till we got 10 million books. All the oldest book. You know who wrote the first grammar?
No.
Panini, 500 BC. BC means before common era.
No, before Christ.
No, okay. Not going to conclusion. Okay, so that one, no, you know the Jesus Christ. So before Jesus Christ's birth, 500 years before, one person like you learning in Takshashila, same, must be not be clever like you, but you are so much clever. When he said, I am going to write a grammar for the world, and he wrote first grammar in 4,000 lines, and he finished off. Just 4,000 lines is just like your notebook. He finished the grammar, and you know I got that book here. This book he wrote, that is Ashtadhyayi, and after that it not changed. And there is no other book even after 2,000 years. You know, after this is how many? 2,000. We are 2,500 years. See any grammar book which is comparative to this one. This is so compact that it is one formula is like shape. He finished his sentence like that. Shape. You don't understand anything? No. But when you read this one, if I open any of the page, you will find his one formula. These are the formula. You know the E is equal to MC square? Okay, and this must be knowing. Okay, E is equal to MC square. The same formula. You have to decode it. And this is written in the way that the kids like you, whole time there was no classroom, no books, no this thing, board, no projector, nothing. Only one teacher and student. They will by heart in very few months. 4,000 lines is easy for you to read, and then whole life they're done with the grammar. Okay, so this book your parents will read now for you. Okay? Thank you very much for children. I got made stuff for you, but I don't want to, otherwise you start rolling and crawling here. Thank you very much. We'll do one if you are okay. Half session, or adult.